Hey everyone! Today we're taking a first look at the all-new 2025 Kia EV3, and there's a lot to unpack here. If you've been following Kia's electric journey, you'll notice this compact SUV borrows the boxy, bold design language from its bigger brother, the EV9. But don't let that fool you. This is a completely different beast aimed at a sweet spot in the market. Let's dive into the numbers. Kia offers two battery choices: a 58.3 kilowatt-hour pack giving you 414 kilometers of range, or a beefier 81.4 kilowatt-hour version pushing 563 kilometers. Both come with a 204 horsepower front motor that'll get you to 100 in about 7.5 seconds. Not blazing fast, but definitely peppy enough for everyday driving. Now, let's talk about charging. The EV3 can handle up to 135 kilowatts on DC fast charging, which means you're looking at about 33 minutes to go from 10 to 80%. Not class-leading, but definitely competitive for this segment. Step inside, and this is where things get interesting. The interior is seriously impressive for this price point. You've got dual 12.3-inch screens, one for your instruments and another for infotainment, plus a separate 5.3-inch display just for climate controls. And get this, the center console actually slides out to become a little workstation. Pretty clever, right? One thing I absolutely love, and I know you guys will too, is that Kia's kept physical buttons for key functions. The steering wheel controls are actual buttons, not those finicky touch-sensitive panels that drive everyone crazy. Speaking of the steering wheel, it's heated, and you can get both heated and ventilated front seats, plus heated rear seats if you tick the right boxes. Let's talk practicality, because this is where the EV3 really shines. That boxy shape isn't just for looks, it gives you excellent headroom and a massive trunk opening. You're looking at 460 liters of cargo space in the back, plus a 25-liter frunk under the hood. The rear seats are genuinely comfortable for adults, and Kia's even thought about the little things, like putting USB-C ports right on the front seat backs where rear passengers can actually reach them. Now, about the pricing structure. There are three trim levels: Air, Earth, and GT line. The Air starts at 36,000 euros with the smaller battery, but honestly, I'd skip straight to the Earth trim. For 38,000 euros, or 44,000 with the bigger battery, you get crucial features like highway assist, collision warning, heated seats, and that heated steering wheel I mentioned. The GT line tops out at 49,000 euros, and while it adds some nice touches like 19-inch wheels, LED lighting all around, and a Harman Kardon sound system, the most important upgrade here is actually the heat pump, which helps preserve range in cold weather. Should you buy one? If you're in the market for a compact electric SUV, the EV3 makes a really strong case for itself. It's practical, well-equipped, and offers competitive range. The sweet spot in the lineup is definitely the Earth trim with the bigger battery. It hits the right balance of features and capability without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.